Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right camera or multi-lens rig and locking manual exposure and white balance. This prevents flicker and mismatched frames. Once done, set resolution and bitrate. Aim for at least 7K for comfortable reframing, and mount on a stable tripod or pole to keep the nodal point consistent. Make a 10 to 20 second test clip that includes a stitched marker like a clap or visual object. That test confirms overlap and alignment before you commit to long takes. Once your test looks good, focus on consistent capture technique. You want 30 to 40% overlap between lenses so the stitch algorithm has solid reference. Move slowly. If you pan, keep speed even and level to avoid parallax. If you must walk, use a gimbal or stabilized pole. Make multiple takes at different exposures for safety, and record ambient audio on a separate device for clean sync. Make sure to log each take, with notes about orientation and scene changes for faster post. You finish by stitching with the camera's software or a robust third-party stitcher. Batch process clips that share settings to save time. Once stitched, color match and blend exposures to hide seams, correct lens distortion, and render as equirectangular at your target resolution. Export with H.264 or H.265 at a high bitrate and test playback on a headset and browser. If seams or ghosting persist, go back to source clips. Check overlap and parallax, and reshoot the problematic segment. This single corrective reshoot often fixes stitch failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.